Programming a new or existing key fob for your 2016 Chevy Camaro is straightforward. Most 2016 Camaros use a 3-button key fob, lock, unlock, panic, operating on 3 and 14 MHz frequency. You can typically do it yourself through the Driver Information Center, DIC, or infotainment screen, avoiding a costly dealer visit. The fob communicates via a rolling code system to prevent theft, requiring synchronization with the car's ECU, engine control unit. First, ensure your fob has a good CR2032 battery, a common cause of pairing issues. The DIY programming involves cycling the ignition key to enter programming mode, pressing buttons on the fob within a time window, usually 10 to 30 seconds, and confirming via the dashboard display. Make sure to follow prompts and instructions carefully to ensure the fob pairs correctly with your vehicle's system. While DIY programming is generally successful with over 90% success rate, be aware of potential issues. If the pairing fails, double-check the battery, ensure you are following the correct steps in your owner's manual, and that your key fob is compatible with the vehicle. Anti-theft features like encryption ensure only programmed fobs work, reducing relay attack risks. If problems persist, consider visiting a professional who can use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. After programming, always test all functions like lock, unlock, panic, and remote start if equipped to confirm proper operation. If a key is lost or stolen, immediately reprogram your fobs to prevent unauthorized access. Keep in mind the shift from physical fobs to digital alternatives, with Chevrolet integrating smartphone apps for key sharing and remote control. By 2025, over 70% of new GM vehicles support NFC-based digital keys. Always consult the owner's manual to avoid ECU resets and follow step by step.